What are pips and what are pipettes in the forex market? What are pips and what are pipettes in the forex market? Pips as in PIPS and pipettes as in PIPETTE, pipettes. So the point of this video is to make you understand pips and pipettes. I'll just explain to you by reading to you in the slide what pips are and what pipettes are. So let's go. So pips, the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. So that's the unit of measurement to express the change in value between two currencies. I already tell you that what controls the forex market, or what we even trade in the forex market, is price. Okay, you predict that price will move from point A to B, and when it happens, you make money. So it's price, right? And so these movements, right, that happens, we use the word pip, right, as that tool that we use to measure the price movement, right? And so pips is the unit of measurement to express the change in value. So any tiny bit of change, any change in value with every currency pair, we use pips or pip to measure it. So one movement on the fourth decimal place is what we call pip. One movement on the fourth decimal place is what we call pip. And then pipette, I'll come there. So let me tell you something. When you visit the forex market and you look at every currency pair, you will see that most of the currency pairs are having the figure 1 point any figure at its fourth decimal place is what we call pip. But mostly you see 5 decimal places. All right, you see 5 decimal places. So the fourth decimal place, when you count from the point, right after the point, the first number or the first digit, the second digit, the third digit, the fourth digit is what we consider as what? The pip. Okay, I hope it's clear. And the fifth decimal place, it's what we call the pipette. But I'll later come to the pipette side, right? So the pip is what we use to determine, is what we use to measure the movement of price in the currency market, right? Or in the forex market. So when we go on the charts right now, I have a tool that I'll put on the, that is what we call the risk to reward tool. I'll put on any instrument or any currency pair, and then I'll use to measure the pip movement. And when I get the pip movement, you hear people saying 50 pips, set your stop loss to 20 pips, set your target to 60 pips, 10 pips, 5 pips. You don't even know what it means. So pip is what we use to measure the value of every currency pair. So the fourth decimal place of the 1 point, these digits that you see, is the fourth decimal place is what we call the pip. And then let's come to pipette. What's the explanation of pipette? They are quoting fractional pips, also called points or pipettes. So the fifth decimal place from the point or from the dot, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth digit, mostly it is written smallish. Sometimes it is bold, but some of the brokers write is very smallish, right? And so that is the fractional pip. It doesn't qualify to be a pip yet. So it has to move from that figure, that fractional pip or the pipette has to move to is it the 10th, right, place to be able to be qualified as what? A pip. So let me give you this example. Pipette runs like seconds, whereas when you, like, we are using clock. When you look at a clock, we move from seconds, then we come to minutes, right? So pipettes run, or fractional pip, they run like what? Seconds. So you have to read from 1, 2, 3 up to 60 seconds, and then it will change to what? A minute. So the minute here is the pip, and the fractional pip or the pipette, guys, don't get confused. Fractional pip is another name for pipette, right? So the pipette is what we consider, maybe if you look using the clock scenario, the seconds is what we consider what? the pipette. So seconds will now run to 60 seconds, then it will change to 1 minute, which is now a pip. So when you come to the forex market, you look at every currency pair, the fifth decimal place have to run for some numbers up for it to change to one pip. Then the pip will also be adding up, adding up, adding up, adding up, adding up, and then it's just simple as that. Simple as that. So this is episode number 6. Episode number 6, if I'm not getting it wrong. Episode number 6 is the difference between pips, or the explanation to pips and pipettes. And I'll make sure I'll drop some pictorial or b-rolls for you to see what I exactly mean, so you get the understanding. Guys, if you are watching this on TikTok, make sure you follow me, favorite this video, like this video, share this video to your loved ones, your trading buddies. And then when you are watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe, put out some post notification, like this video, and share this video to your loved ones and your trading buddies. My name is Shoda Nixon again, and I've already explained to you what pips and pipettes are.